SEMA prep is in full effect. We got the Supra behind me getting ready to get loaded up into that enclosed trailer. It's been a long one for the boys and all the guys at Apex and Works Corsa, or as Heido calls it, Chicken Works. Let's go ahead and get more cars out here and get them loaded up. Head off to SEMA. Bye. Alright, so I just met up with Chris Harris over here. Chris is an awesome dude. He invited us out here with the Supra. I definitely see a collab coming in the future with him and the Supra and maybe one of our other cars because he's a huge JDM fan. A lot of people checking out the car. Love it. Thanks.
I mean, it's to the T. If you look at it,
looks like it.
Yep, it's like to the T.
Yeah, we tried to use like all the same partners that Craig used back in the early 2000s. Like this company, Stitchcraft still exists in Orange County.
Oh,
the
wow.
graphics company is still in San Diego.
So is it pretty close to the same horsepower as the...
No, this makes more.
It's more.
So modern day, like back then he was making like 550
Right.
and then had nitrous.
Yeah.
We're making 815 with no nitrous.
Wow.
I don't think you need it, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, you don't have enough tire to put this down, so...
They love seeing it like this. They're stoked at how it turned out, and it's here front and center at Central Hall. Chris is now on the SEMA board, so he's definitely going to be coming out to SoCal, to SEMA Garage, and doing some stuff in the future, but yeah. I saw it for the first time yesterday, finally being outside of the shop and not on jack stand, with all the parts being off of it. And this car literally, it came out so damn good. The guys killed it at our shop and at Apex. Thank you to everybody that's been on board. I met the Toms guys yesterday here at SEMA for the first time, and they saw the car in person. They absolutely loved it. This was the world debut of the Toms GR Corolla as a catalog car. This has seats, brakes, wheels, aero, front bumper, rear wing. Everything you could imagine is on this car from Toms. This car is just sitting pretty here at the Toyota Tread Pass. This kit has been designed and curated by Takamoto Katsuta. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but hopefully I am. This car just looks so amazing. It's so much different than what it was before. And also special thanks to some of our other partners that we worked with on the car. Of course, Works Corsa for the harness roll bar, the boys at PWR, and we're gonna go stop by and say hi to them before we head out for the day and head back home. But thanks to them for their intercooler radiator oil cooler setup. We are still in the works with them for something on the differential to try to help you guys out that are going to the track to keep this thing from overheating and going into lit mode. For now, let's see what else we're missing. We're back at the Supra, just checking it out one last time before I head out of here. And gotta move the cars out of Toyota Tread Pass and head home. This car's been getting all the action here. It's front and center at the African American Automotive Association booth. This used to be the old Dodge location, Dodge Mopar, but luckily Chris snagged it and Supra's doing killer out here. All right, so that was the most eventful leaving of a car show, I guess. This was an awesome event, meeting all the partners that we've been working with via email and phone calls and no FaceTimes. For now, SEMA's over. We are done. We got the GR Corolla pulled out and ready to head back home to Orange County. So I just met at the rendezvous point with the transporter. Why not? So we can go ahead and get this car loaded up, get the hell out of here, catch my flight before it's too late, and head back home. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys later. Bye.